Yep, it is happening. We waited so long for this update. If you have a Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, this is the time for Samsung to fulfill its promises and deliver One UI 5 watch to you. However, there's not just good news. There's sort of semi-good news depending on which version of the Galaxy Watch you have, so stay tuned. First and foremost, please go to your wearable app. If you see the red icon on the top right hand corner, like you can see here, go into About and update your wearable app, as this brings some changes which I'm going to show you in a second. Just like yesterday, please let me know in the comment section if you have received this update or in fact anything. Look, this is super important for our community to see which region will get the update first. And a personal request I have, please subscribe if you want to be part of this awesome, super awesome community. And while you're here, why not like this video? Thank you so much. A couple of things you will notice. First, Samsung Pay is going to update to Samsung Wallet by simply going into your settings, go in, and it will force the update, as you can see right here. The second change you will notice is for your notifications. Once you go in, you will see a small icon which has always been here, but now you can identify which apps may trouble you when it comes to not receiving notifications, which can really be helpful, and it will let you fix it. Another change is for your tiles. It's now grouped into dedicated sections, which makes it really easier to, well, add and remove tiles as you desire. Last but not least is the availability of all Galaxy Watch 6 watch faces, including updates to your older watch faces, and I covered this yesterday extensively. Again, just press the red icon next to your watch face and it will automatically update. Samsung has announced the rollout for One UI 5 and Wear OS 4 for your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 today. And we kind of know what to expect in terms of new features. Although we are still waiting for a battery fix pertaining to Wear OS 4 and One UI 5, meaning Google Play services is draining your battery like there is no tomorrow. Of course, we will monitor this, as this has been spotted exclusively for the Galaxy Watch 6 so far. The semi-good news is coming when you go down into the small print of the press release. And I state, the software update will come first to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Flip 4, Tab S8 series and Watch 5 series first, and then will become available sequentially to previous generations. Meaning One UI 5 and Wear OS 4 is rolling out for the Galaxy Watch 5 today. Galaxy Watch 4 users have to wait a little bit longer. Please don't shoot the messenger. I sincerely hope I earned your subscription today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.